maybe some dance moves?
That's extra B-roll credit.
Oh.
You might have
that role. I could be that role.
You might have to tip for that. Hey guys, Jason Catron here.
I'm Katie Talbot.
And we are Vocal Lab
Collective.
Hey Katie.
Hey Jason, how you doing?
I'm great. How are you?
I am so good.
I feel like we just had a little snack.
Yeah, we had a little snack break.
I have like food in my mouth.
And I say snack break, I literally just gave the guys chocolate.
Yeah.
I gave you chocolate M&Ms.
We also had really great Greek food before that.
We did. So good. Because we have a lot of videos we're doing.
We sure do. And we need you to hit that subscribe button. Hit that Instagram. Hit that Facebook. Hit that Patreon. That's it.
I'm like,
did you smell my onion breath?
I did for a second, but that's disgusting.
It's really bad.
It's
really bad. I never eat onions, and they were raw inside my...
You are raw. And I think... I think you just need to...
There's not enough wine in the day for that comment.
You guys, this is a brand new video that we're watching here. Brand new artist, brand new
It sure is.
video.
All the brand new. We are going, back to that K-pop land today.
Yeah.
And we're going to do EX... What was that?
I was trying to sign it.
Oh, well, that's not how you sign. That's like E... What's that?
Yeah,
X...
No. Oh. You know what? My mother-in-law is actually a sign language interpreter,
really?
so I
it's a really cool...
Should I FaceTime her real quick?
No. This isn't like Who Wants to Be a Millionaire and we phone a friend.
But is it?
It's a really cool skill to have. So, anywho, we're going back to the land of K-pop. EXO. Song title.
Can't stop.
No.
Don't stop.
Don't stop.
Don't stop the
Don't
feeling.
stop the feeling. That's
Don't
right.
ever stop the feeling.
That's right. Here we go. Let's
Can't
see what
stop,
these
won't
guys
stop.
have got to go. We have not reacted to them before. So...
Ooh, spaceship?
Either that or it's like Space Mountain at Disneyland.
I love Space Mountain.
Oh, it's one of my favorites.
This is huge production.
I mean, insane production.
불빛의 모든 것이 드러났을 때 외로운 손길 위로 시작된 주행 모든 걸 잃어봐야 해 You must have made
Oh, this
it
dance moves.
그래야 진짜 리얼한 자유를 얻지 댓글쯤은 날려 난 좀 달라서 그거 하나 믿어 yeah 제멋에 취한 채 그럼 좀
Jeez, the dancing is crazy.
It's insane. It really is insane. You are over there on the right.
뭘 참고만 있어 이 젊은 너만함 지금 할 수 있는 빛인지 Don't fight the feeling They don't come back Don't fight the feeling 너를 멈추지 Don't fight the feeling
Oh, yeah.
Don't fight the feeling yeah No place, no town where we can go
He's grounded.
Why not 부딪혀봐 지금 느낀 그게 정답이야 가다뺄까봐 매일 밤 죽어도 스미는 숨쉬어 누가 상상이 나게 완고한 이성에 쓸리면 안돼 강의 위를 질주해 Ayo 24/7 all day gotta be okay 느낌대로 가던대로 셔리 말아 차리 You got the love with the juice Follow 나의 길을 woo Baby I can be a healing Tell you you find the feeling 삶의
Yeah.
Green.
Yeah. cool. Whoa. Just like that, we out.
Just like that. Okay, wow.
Yeah.
The visuals are, for one thing, just production is insane.
Insane.
Videography, insane. I will say I love being taken back with these groups that are literally bringing back some of that 90s pop.
Yeah, it does. You're right.
Yeah. Like, I love that. They're, their vocals are tight. They all have their different tones. They've got their dance and the charisma that's there. And it, like, some of these groups are just making me feel like I'm 16 again, And I love that because I think that's something that's been lost for a long time.
Well, it has. And I mean, and boy bands go in cycles. Like, there'll be a lull where we don't have them for a while. I think that's been the cool thing about K-pop was, for whatever reason, like, the American and British audiences weren't quite ready for... Can't say they weren't quite ready because we did have...
We had One Direction for a long time.
One Direction, for sure. And, Why Don't We? It's done really well. There have been a few groups out there that have done well, but, I mean, we're talking BTS is in the league of Backstreet.
Oh.
They're in the league of the Beatles. They're in the league of the...
1,000%.
I'm trying to think of another one that just... There were like 3 in my head and one escaped.
I have that effect on people.
Oh my god.
I'm so sorry.
So
some people just look at me and they forget everything.
I'm completely out of this video. No, but they do. Again, Backstreet or NSYNC. I was trying to think of NSYNC. Or what was the big band in England? Why can I not remember that?
Yeah, we talked about One Direction.
No, from the 90s.
Spice Girls?
No, well, those are girls, not a boy band.
Yeah, boy band.
No, I went to see them like in concert a few years ago. I didn't know who they were because they were not big in America at all. This is why we don't know. They were not huge in America, but they just sold out 20 nights at the O2 Arena. I'm like, who is this group? I was like the only person in the audience that didn't know every song. My friend was the choreographer for their tour.
Okay, that's amazing.
Yeah, as soon as I said their name, it's killing me now.
we'll
Carlos, can you Google biggest UK boy band of all time? Because it's killing me. My point to this is that boy bands come in cycles, as do big girl groups, right?
Yeah.
And K-pop has filled that void for the world because these groups are phenomenal at their craft.
Yeah, and literally incredible.
And not just them, the entire team.
Yeah.
Right? So for a video to have that...
and...
Yes. For a video to have that...
Yeah.
Is an insane team.
Yeah.
For their style to be all that is an incredible team. Right? For the songs to be so good, an incredible team. Down the list. You go down the list. Their network and team is top notch.
Yeah.
Right? Nothing is rough.
Nothing can touch them right now.
Right. So,
we got Westlife, Blue, E17, 5. Take that.
Take that!
Take that.
Thank you. Take that. Robbie Williams was in that band for a minute. And the lead guy was Gary something, I think. He was, and then he was one of the judges on X Factor. This is all, we're on a sidetrack here.
Yeah.
But Take That, I didn't know who they were, right? And it's like, how are they selling out 20 nights and everyone knows every song and I've never heard it?
That's insane, 20 nights.
It's insane, right? But this was fantastic video. Great singers, great dance.
Oh, I loved it. The only thing that I'm like very selfish in is y'all...
The only thing you're selfish in?
The only thing. Well, you'll understand once I say this, because then you'll be like, okay, yeah, actually, like, truly. I want y'all to hit these guys up, and you need to say, listen, there is this background dancer in the U.S. who's a vocal coach. She's really cheerful. She is just a ray of sunshine, and she can dance like a mofo.
She can dance that booty off.
Listen, I am dying to get in on these videos.
Yeah, you are. Every time we show one of these K-pop videos, you just lose your mind.
I do, because music is movement, and the way that I started to fall in love with music was when I would be on the treadmill or even riding my horse. I would just lose myself in a scene of whatever the song was taking me through. So hit them up, get me on as a background dancer, because
or a background horse rider.
I mean, I can do some Zorro stuff. I really could.
Wow.
I really could. I practiced.
We're learning so much about you today.
Yes.
We also learned so much about EXO.
Oh my gosh, I love them. I can't wait to watch more of them.
We're going to do more of them.
Great Great suggestion.
Such a great suggestion.
Continue to subscribe.
Yes.
Join our Patreon. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook.
The things.
All the things. I think this would be another really fun one to do some vocal tips too on our Patreon group.
Yeah. Especially for the guys.
Oh, gosh, yeah.
Cool.
Maybe some dance moves?
That's extra B-roll credit.
Oh.
You might
be that role. I could be that role.
You might have to tip for that.
Maybe.
Throw those tips, Katie will throw that around.
In the meantime, I'm Katie Talbot.
I'm Jason Catron.
And we are
Vocal Lab Collective.